Hello and welcome to another update video about Brent crude oil here. A few things have happened since my last update. We have moved further into the direction that I indicated in the last video. As I said in the previous video, I made my channel members aware back in end of March, that I'm going to exit the gold market. We were around 117 to 120 dollars as I expect a 50% drop roughly of oil prices. Since then this has played out. We had a slight increase since then in a wave B, in a corrective wave B. This is an Elliott wave count, and then I think we have started now to turn around as expected here in this wave C, which would be the last larger wave of this sell-off. And what we have seen here is a large wave 1 to the upside, which finished here in March, early in March, and we are now in this wave 2. And the wave 2 consists of an ABC, and within this ABC we are now in the last wave, in the wave C. But again, this is also subdividing into 5 waves, and my understanding currently of the market is that we are here in a third wave of this wave C, which means there is the third wave still to finish. Then we have a fourth wave retracement to the upside and a fifth wave to the downside. Now each of these waves subdivide into subwaves again. That's not that relevant at the moment. The focus here remains further to the downside. Gave you a target, I think, in the last video to finish off this wave 3. That would be, let's just do this target for the wave 3. We'll take here the length of the wave 1 and take then the 1.618 extension. That would here be the $90 level. Yeah, that would, or $91. So one more strong sell-off could be enough to take us here into the region of the 1.618 extension. No guarantee we will finish the wave 3 there. That is the minimum requirement for a wave 3. Could even go down here to the 200 or the 2.618. We will see. Yeah, we will see. But overall, the overall target here for this wave 2 that you can see there remains here between, and I better go to the daily chart and I can show that to you. There you go. Remains here between $42 and $77. So looking at this in terms of a Fibonacci retracement point of view, this is exactly between the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level and the 50%. So this is where we would expect the gold price to get into. Now, I gave you in the last video one outlook. So I think the $62 level would be a likely one. Now, looking at this more short term now, on the gold price chart here, let's go to the 4-hour chart. We are here at a key level of support now, previous support. If I draw a support line here, you can see that we had exactly where we currently are here. It's like the $100 level, isn't it? So it's a psychological level. It's actually a little bit lower than the $100 level, more around 98. Now you can see that very clearly, that we had previously support here, 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 and now here. If this level gets broken, I think then we can prepare already for a larger sell-off. Then that wave 3 could really start going strong. The wave 3 is normally the strongest wave, and we have seen quite a long and a strong move down already, but we've now hit this support level at $98. Let's take a look just purely here at the VPVR. You can see that basically below this support level, in terms of historical volume, you basically have this black hole, and that would further fuel the assumption that should we go below the $98 level, we can fall quite strongly here, possibly to that $91 level that I gave you. But also a level that would make sense would be that $87 level in terms of support, that previous wave 3 high here. It's quite a significant one, so I would see this as support as well. Now, could the overall correction be finished here already? I would very much doubt it. My view is that we will have to get below this wave A low, which was here at it was here at $97, $98. So that is what we really need to get below. And then in a wave 2, you would normally expect those lower fib levels. So that is where I would expect the price to get into. For me, there is also not enough bullishness in the chart anyway that I would consider here anything different. Overall, this whole sell-off would be invalidated if the price moves above $121. So there's a long way to go to invalidate this descending or this downtrending scenario. For now, it's adhering to it very well, and I'm going to just want to warn you that if we go below $97, $98, we can probably assume quite a strong move down. It's currently holding above it, but if we zoom in, the reaction to it is not very strong. So you can see that here how we're just moving sideways, we're dancing on that level, and it just doesn't show a bullish reaction. So I would definitely focus here on further and lower prices, and that is pretty much my view currently of the oil price. So that is the update here. If anything exciting happens, I'll keep you updated anyway. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then also check out my main channel, More Crypto Online. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.